Hi guys and welcome. Today in this video I want to share with you a fantastic tool that will let you to start your own dropshipping business really fast, easy, without an extra efforts, and it will help you to sell more and to find dropshipping suppliers all around the world. Depends on where your clients are, in the United States or European Union. And this is absolutely convenient and powerful tool that I want to share with you, because probably if you thought about to start your dropshipping business, you are in the overwhelmed info area where everybody's talking about like dropshipping, but nobody's showing how to make that happen really fast, easy, and without an extra efforts. So I'm here to create the video especially for you, to share with you this fantastic Spocket platform that will help you to create your own dropshipping business really fast. So let's discover what's happening here on this site. Of course, the link for the official website you can find it in the description panel of this video, so make sure to check it out if you want to open your own business. And we're gonna jump to the official website and a little bit hover around this side. So you can sell with ease, up-to-date inventory, what's really important, best quality products, great profit margins, super fast delivery. So what does Spocket help you with? Spocket allows you to choose the best products to sell from thousands of dropshipping suppliers all over the world. That's what I was talking about. You can find winning dropshipping products. You can try the products by yourself with low effort. You can connect your online store with ease, and it can be Shopify, BigCommerce, Wix, and WooCommerce. So it's integrated totally, and this is absolutely insane because you can sell everywhere. Of course, Shopify is one of the biggest and one of my favorite actually. Wix, WooCommerce, doesn't matter. So you can integrate it with a lot of platforms. You can discover dropshipping suppliers with fast shipping, what's also really important. So if you know nothing about the dropshipping, so what does it mean? Your customer making a purchase from your store on your sales page, then this order goes straight directly to your supplier, and that's good because you don't need to have inventory, you don't need to have the warehouse, you don't need to make all the logistic things, and your supplier ships the product to your customers directly, and you just keep the profit from the retail price. This is absolutely cool business because you're just sitting around your you're sitting in front of your computer anywhere in the world, and like even from your home, and you can run a business. There's no upfront cost, branded invoicing, US, EU, original suppliers, the best deals and products. But what I want to show you, how it looks from inside. But we're gonna finish here. Available integrations: BigCommerce, Shopify, Flex, Wix, eCloud, Squarespace, WooCommerce, Square, Alibaba, Aliexpress, and eBay. So this is really cool and huge. And guys, let's go here. Dropshipping. You can see that there's a long list of niches where you can jump and use, like trending niches, trending items, bath and beauty, jewelry, watches, toys, pets, accessories, tech accessories, home and garden, footwear. So you can start in any of these niches. Depends on what you actually like. Maybe you like pets and you know something about it. Maybe you're expert in the pets and you know which things and toys for pets or other different stuff for pets is great, and you can sell it. Integrations, I told you that there are tons of integrations with most known and most famous platforms, partnerships with suppliers, affiliates, and top partners, winning products, resources, and so on. I want to show you how it looks from inside, so let's jump inside and I'm going to show you everything. Okay guys, so I've created the new account inside of the Spocket. What can you do here? You can find products and this is really convenient way to and convenient platform to find products. Why? Because you have all the things that you need to know. You can enter the keywords depending on the niches that you're using, or you can jump to niches to one of the categories straight and make more sorting by like it ships from anywhere, or United Union or United States of America. Fast USA shipping, you can sort it by fast shipping, USA shipping under $5, and by inventory, show all, more than 20, more than 25, and so on. And sort, you can sort by relevance, price, load high, newest, and shop and shipping time. So any kind of a products you can add to import list, and then you can make everything like all the changes, all the edits into your product that you choose. There's a listing cost, there's shipping cost, and there's retail price. It's recommended price. You are 100% free to set up your own price for any of these products, and that's how you can earn money. What's also convenient that you adding it just to import list all this items, all this things, all the products that you wanna find, that you wanna add to your shop. You can add first to import list. That means that nobody on your side will see these changes before it's cleaned up, before everything is done, before all the pictures and all the things were like made to perfect. So nobody will see. You can sort it by a lot of things. Also, if you want to sell things from the Aliexpress, you can get the Scrapper dropshipping extension for the Chrome. You can see it in action, and so on. So how it works: you install the bundle, log in with your Spocket account, open Aliexpress product category search page, click on the import to Spocket button to product category search page, and now you can your products are imported to Spocket, and you can post it to your store and to sell it. So there's a lot of interesting things. There are winning products lists in United Kingdom, United States, winning products in Europe. You can also sort it here by the price. There's private label also. What does it mean? The private label packaging will allow you to make your own shop. You need to install the app Jubilee. You can upload your logo and your brand to find beauty products and push to store and start selling your own products with a private label. It's Spocket top partners Jubilee, but it's only in beauty and cosmetics private label. Also, you can search products by image, is something similar with the tools that will let you sort by image. There's import list. Here you will find the items that you found that you imported to your import list. For example, okay, let's use any kind of an item that you. Okay, it's premium. Let's import this item to the import list, and now you have two items here, and you can make all the edits with this, and then you just press push to store. Of course, you need to have the store first and upfront, but it's like you can push it to store, and this item will be published on your store automatically, and this is absolutely cool. So guys, if you want to start your own dropshipping business really fast, easy, and without an extra efforts, if you need a tool that will let you to find the winning products, that will let you to find products with a high demand, definitely Spocket is just a must-have. So make sure, if you're interested in how to open your own business, maybe how to run your side hustle, it can be easily your side hustle. You can make normal and big amounts of money on dropshipping for sure. Definitely you need to check this tool out, and the link is in the description panel of this video. Guys, I hope you enjoyed. Hope this information was useful. See ya in the next video. Bye bye.